Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm Monica, and first of all, thank you so much for stopping by for another video. This time I will have a favorite box of mine, but before of that, please bear with me. It's the first time when I'm wearing a purple color. Actually, probably half of you told me that you're watching all the time my videos told me about the Makeup Geek purple color, which is this one that came in the mystery box. As I said, I opened mine before and I showed it in that video, and you guys told me that you love this product. As I said, let's give it a try. I'm wearing it right now and I'm not feeling comfortable at all, but anyway, bear with me for this video. Then before getting in the unboxing, I want to say a big thank you to Mariel Flores for letting me know about this box. I didn't watch their website lately because I was busy with other boxes, but she sent me a message and she asked me if I know about this box. I didn't. Thank you so much for letting me know, Mariel. It's another beautiful box from Revolve. If you watch my channel, you know I think I have 9 of them, and this one is the 10th one that I got from their website. Great products. In one of these boxes you get a mix of products from skin care, makeup, hair care, body care, everything. All of them beautiful products, most of them in full size. Probably each one of them is full size, I'm not so sure, but many full sizes in this one. Also, this box, the one that I'm gonna show you today, it's Let's Get Away Summer Beauty Essentials for the Chic Jet Setter, curated by Marianna Hewitt. If you watch my channel, you know I have another 2 boxes curated by her, and I think she also has a YouTube channel, I'm not very sure. Anyway, this is a new box from Revolve Beauty. This one, the cost of this one, it's 150, and the value of this one is 232. So let's go ahead and see what's in this box. If you think this box has a good cost for the value, and you let me know in the comments down below what do you think about this one. So far I love those boxes. Comes in the regular box, the white box with the lid. Great boxes to use it as storage. I'm keeping those boxes because I have some of my products in them. And let's see what's in this box. And they come very well packed. Also, the shipping doesn't take longer than 2-3 days. Also, the shipping box has a big label with fragile, which is nice of them. Let's see what's in this box. The first product that I see, it's a favor, an all-time favor of mine, and you saw this one probably in all the boxes I got lately. This is Sol de Janeiro Boom Boom Cream. Doesn't need any recommendation. Happy to get those travel sizes because I don't have to buy a full size for a long time. Lovely product, always happy to get that one. Then we have a hair product from R+Co, Rockaway Salt Spray is this one, and I believe this one is a deluxe sample. We have in here something that is called, oops, I have those bubbles, so sorry about that. We have that another product which is called Olio, Osso, and this is Balm number 9. And let's see how this one looks. I was curious when I placed the order to see what is this this thing, and actually this one is a balm for lips and cheeks. Looks like this. Has exactly the same shape as a deodorant and opens in the same way. Here is the color of this one, and I'm gonna try to show you the tint of this. Looks like this. Anyway, it's something new, and the packaging is new also for me as a balm. So probably this is a full size because you get a ton of product, and the more you wait, the more the color pops up. So here is the second product in the box. Then we have an ILIA item, and this one is, here is the box of this one. I tried many products from this brand and I like them. This is cucumber water stick, and let's see exactly what is this. What is this one? Here is the product, and reminds me of the milk one. Comes with the lid, and it's exactly like a stick. It's a stick shape. They usually recommend to keep this one in the refrigerator and then apply it to your clean face. But let's see about this one, because I don't know details about this. This is a unique take on toner. Okay, that's something interesting, because I never tried a toner in this shape, in this type of packaging, packed in a solid form that gives an immediately boost of cooling to skin, to balance and prep for makeup application. Infused with a blend of natural ingredients including cucumber, aloe, and something else. Go to no, actually it's great to use on the go to refresh and revitalize face and body. So a toner in a solid form, that's interesting. Then we have here Invincible setting powder SPF 45 from Supergoop, which looks like this, and looks very similar with that Color Science sunscreen powder that I had in my favorites and also in samples of the week, which is a really nice packaging. I'm glad they decided to put the setting powder in the same type of packaging. It's very easy to apply. You don't waste the product on your clothes or anywhere, and it shows you here how to use it. It says to remove the cap, and actually it's very similar with the other one. Comes with the cover. You have the powder here, and they say remove and discard the plastic pin. So you have a plastic pin here. You move this and you have access to that powder. Tilt and tap the brush gently against your wrist until you see the powder starts to flow. Use powder generously to reapply your UV protection. You can clean this one removing the, they say it's a magnetic, yes, it's a magnetic, the brush comes in a magnetic packaging, so you can remove the brush and wash it. Also you remove the pin and let the powder come into the brush. And also what they say here, it's a refillable packaging, so you can use this one to put your own powder, your own loose powder, and you open it here. It's a ton of product in this one. You open it, put your own powder and use it. So I think it's a great idea for a setting powder. Also very easy to use, very easy to reapply it, take it with you wherever you go. So I love the idea of this type of packaging. I'm gonna use this one for sure, and also I will put my own powder in this one when I'll finish this. So very happy with this one. I didn't know they have this type of product, but so far it's a lovely one. So my favorite product until now from this box. Then we have in here a Becca product, and this is Be a Light. The packaging is beautiful, this simple gold color, and this one is a face palette if I remember right. It's kind of hard to read here. Let's see the palette. And the palette is just, you can see everything I have on the table is just beautiful. Is this gold, just a simple gold, and the palette looks, it's kind of big a full size product. And let's see how this one looks inside. I love Becca product. We have here Spread Light and Love Becca on the mirror. The palette looks like this. And we have in here, I'm trying to read from this packaging but it's hard to see. It's a brightening powder, which is this one right here, and looks like this. Then we have a blush, and it's this one. Looks like this, which I think it's really pretty. Let me try to swatch this, at least the blush, because from the other ones it's not gonna, you're not gonna see much. But here is the blush, which I really like. Then we have a contour powder, which is this one. Comes in a solid form. And then we have a blur powder, which is this one right here. Big sizes in this palette. This will last forever, I would say, but it's a beautiful palette, beautiful packaging, and also Becca, it's a great brand. So we have a full size face palette from Becca, which is really pretty, and I really like the shade of the blush. Very pretty. And then we have in here, I see two more products in this one. One of them is a kit, on the go travel kit, Blossom and Bloom. And this one is from Briogeo. And we have in here a shampoo and conditioner and volumizing spray. The kit looks like this. And let's see the sizes of this one. Very well packed. Here is the volumizing spray. It's a good size, will last a while. And here is the shampoo and conditioner, and they look like this. Oops. Here are the shampoo and conditioner and the volumizing spray. So another great product in the box. I like Briogeo, and I know many of you like Briogeo too. So here is another great product in here. And it seems like there is one more product here. And this one is, looks like a pouch or a bag. Yeah, it's a bag. And it has the Revolve logo here, always on the go, which is a really pretty pink color. A good size also, simple and nice. Of course comes filled with paper. So here is the bag with the zipper on top, which is really pretty, and it's a great quality comparing with other products. So that's the last product in here. I like the box. I love all the Revolve boxes. So far in this one we get this bag always on the glow. We have this hair kit on the go travel kit from Briogeo with shampoo, conditioner, and that volumizing spray. Probably my favorite product, along with the Becca palette, is the Supergoop translucent setting powder SPF 45, which is not bad at all. I love the packaging of this one, and I love the fact that you can refill it with your own powder. The Becca face palette with you get a blush, a contour, a blurring powder, and was one more powder in here, a brightening powder. Lovely palette, full size. We have this balm, which is for from Olio Osso. This one is for lips and cheeks, and here is the color of this one right here, and here is the color of blush, which I really like. We have an ILIA toner in a solid form. That's something interesting to try. We have this R+Co salt spray, another hair product, and of course the Boom Boom cream, which is lovely as usual. So you let me know what do you think about this new box from Revolve. So far I love the products in this one also, as in the other ones that I got before. It's 150 for a value of 232. Probably I wouldn't buy those products in a full with a full price, but when they come discounted to more than half price, it's a great way to try them. So far I like the box. As I said, my favorite products are the Supergoop setting powder, the packaging especially, and the Becca palette. All of them looks nice. You let me know what do you think about them. I will see you very soon with another video, probably another unboxing. You have a great day. Bye bye.